Hi, my name is Mahesh. This is a video tutorial in response to a question by Nilesh, how to do cell style shading. For cell style shading, we need a clean line art, and for purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using King Cheetah's Daddy's Little Girl illustration. Here I have done the setup in Adobe Photoshop Elements. You can use whichever tools you are comfortable with. Put the line art in a layer and create a new layer, flat colors or something like that. This keeps the artwork organized and makes it easier to do changes in future. Select the line art layer and then use the magic wand tool to make a selection of an area you want to color. I start off with the wings. Then I switch to flat colors layer, select the midtone color and use a pretty large brush to color the selection. The brush is set on 100% opacity and has a hard edge. When you are done with one area, move on to color another area with the midtone color. Spend some time when you choose the colors. Have them somewhere on your artwork so that you can select them easily. I keep three sets of colors: the midtone color, the shadow area color, and the highlight color. Do not hesitate to make them contrasting enough, as that gives a richness to your artwork. For this part, we will not be using any of the shadow colors or the highlight colors. We will deal with them in the next part. I am now done with her wings and hair. I paint her skin tone next. Notice the pattern here. I switch to the line art layer first. Then I use the wand tool to select all the similar layers. I switch to the flat color layer. I use the eyedropper tool to select the midtone color. Then I use the brush tool to quickly fill up the area selected. I then move on to the next area. Now that I am done with her dress, I need to color her jewelry. I noticed that I had forgotten to choose a color for that. I just select a color and put it among my color palette and then proceed with the steps. When you need to fill in flat colors for those small areas, use the zoom tool to make it easier. Once all the major areas are colored, zoom in and examine those places you might have missed. This would turn out to be a bit tedious than what has been done to this point. The areas that have no close line art might turn out to be a problem. You will need to use the freeform selection tool to select most of the areas and then paint the flat color. You needn't bother much about getting it right, because once you are done with coloring the major areas, take a smaller brush and fill up those gaps. Okay, we are almost done with the flat coloring and are coming to the end of part 1. We'll see more in the videos to follow. Do visit cgpainting.com. We have a nice little community of digital painters there. You can ask questions there like Nilesh has done, or even discuss other things pertaining to digital painting. Until the next video on cel style shading, bye bye.